Warriors or Cavs?
Warriors. Food that you can eat every day.
Binagoongan. Piece of clothing you can wear every day.
Underwear. Kung hindi ka athlete, ano ka?
Student. Kung babae ka, sino ka?
Mom ko.
Oh.
My most annoying trait.
Lagi kang nag-scratch ng nose. My most admirable trait.
Caring, very malaga.
Oh.
What made you fall for me? Binabasa ko lang. Totoo siya. Binabasa.
Okay.
Thoughtful.
Oh, okay.
When did you fall for me?
For me, last year.
Grabe!
3 years ago, wow. Last year. Oo, hindi. Nagdalawang isip ka ba sa pagsagot sa akin? Mamaya pag-usapan niya.
Was there a point na muntikan ka nang mag-give up sa panliligaw?
Wala naman. Bagay na mas madalas ko dapat gawin.
Pag-shave.
Okay.
Lugar na gusto mong bisitahin natin.
My house in Iloilo. Song that reminds you of me.
One call away.
Yeah. Okay.
Basketball o ako?
Kaya naman ipagsabay yun. So, both.
Consistent one.
One lang. Sabi ni Tito Boy.
Ikaw nagpo-push sa basketball. Pero kaya naman both.
Of course. We can do both. Yes. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
For Eliza, thank you very much. That's okay. We'll take that later. Maraming salamat.
Tonight with